Hello, Kathy, violin teacher at WAMA, and welcome. Today we're going to look at another of the Irish dance tunes, and after a polka I think this is the next easiest one to tackle, and it is the jig. Okay, and I'm going to play a little jig. It's a song in jig time called Hubaitse. Hubaitse, Hubaitse, Coppelings Bogan, Bemidi Garki Contakas Samarok. So that's the tune. So I'm going to play it a little bit more, more slowly now, and then we'll have a look at how it's made up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's in D major, and let's have a look at our roadmap for D major. So we only need the first two columns, so 2 and 3 close together on the A string. And in fact, let's have a look here. Here's the tune on the board, and I've got it's in the key of D major, so I have my key signature, F sharp and C sharp, and the time signature. Could you feel it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they're little tiptoe bows, so they're quaver beats. So it's 6 quavers in each bar. And another way of writing that is 6, 8, because what kind of note goes into a whole note 8 times? You've guessed it, the quaver. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say it in tas and TTs. 1, 2, 3. T, 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 ta, T. Okay, and now that's our rhythm, so I'm going to shadow bow it. T, 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 ta, T. And on my open string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you look, I've put a little accent mark over some of the notes. So I've put an accent on the very first one, because that's the strongest one. And then the next strongest note comes on 1, 2, 3 on the fourth of the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the strongest one is on the first beat of the bar. Okay, so that's my rhythm taken care of. Now let's have a little look at the notes. So actually, before we do that, we're going to play our little scale, and we're going to play it in this rhythm. 1, 2, 3. And I don't need all the notes of the scale, and I've put a circle around the notes that I need. So I need the first note. Do, 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 re, 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 mi, mi, mi. Now I don't need the next note, and I'm skipping up to so, 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 la, la, la. So let's try that now. So 1, 2, 3. So that's the scale I'm using for this tune. It's got a very fancy name. It's called a pentatonic scale. Now, so let's have a look at the notes we need. So we're going to tap and say the note names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D, F, F, D, E, E, F, D, F, A, B, A, F, E, D, E, F, E, D, 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 D. And if you look, I put a little bracket over this because look what we have here. Do, be, so. I've got the arpeggio of D major. So we might play the arpeggio. So going from skipping the notes in between. Now I'm going to put down my bow now, and I'm going to play it pizzicato. So looking at my board, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And And you could play that a couple of times. And I've put the fingering underneath. I'll put a close-up of that on the blog. Now, second line, there's my arpeggio, well, a bit of it anyway. The first two notes, A, F, E, D, E, F, E, D, 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 D. And again, that second line. Okay, so you could put all that together. And when you're happy, you've got the rhythm and you've got the notes, we're going to put it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see at the end, I've got my repeat sign, which tells me I go back and play it all over again. So that's our Jig Hubaitse. So good luck with that, and I'll see you next time for some more.